You probably see fresh cranberries in your grocery store this time of year, and maybe you don't know that there's an amazing thing you can make with them. And it's actually really healthy for you. This is fermented cranberries. It's so good. You just have to trust me on this. First, take a bag of cranberries, wash them, then throw them through your food processor. Next, we'll add the juice of 2 clementine oranges, or a tangerine or a regular orange. Then add a tablespoon of raw honey. Add half a teaspoon of ground dried ginger, or you can also use fresh ginger. Add a cinnamon stick and 3 whole cloves. Then a half of a teaspoon of non-iodized salt. If you have a previous brew, at this point you can add some of the liquid from that brew into this. It's not necessary. Cover it with a regular lid so you can shake it up to incorporate everything. Once shaken, you can add your fermentation weight, fermentation lid, and then the fermentation gasket, and you can get those things on Amazon. Some folks call these an airlock. That's probably the right word. And then you can just put this in a dark place in your kitchen for about 5 to 7 days. Once it starts bubbling, it's ready, and you can have it anytime after that. If you like this kind of thing, this is what I work with my VIPs for complete holistic lifestyle makeover coaching. The cart for that is going to open on December 13th, and we start January 2nd. Make sure you book yourself a discovery call if that's of interest to you. The link is in my bio.